The adult is talking. What if somebody had died tonight? Different story, right? Because that's on you. And if you died, I feel like that's on me.
I don't feel so good.
You're all right.
I don't know what's happening. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. I swear.
Lost kid.
That's not a hug. I'm just grabbing the door for you. We're not there yet.
And he started doing the yellow sparkly thing that he does all the time. What are you doing? I'm so sorry. What he did it, sir. Everywhere I go, I see his face. I just want him to be like him.
And I wanted you to be better.